Hi, I'm Chef Jim of Coastal Alabama, and today in my class we'll show you how to make Italian bread. Like this. This is Italian bread. You guys are gonna have fun with this. This is a good stiff dough. See that? So it's nice and smooth. Put flour down. With that. And then you can have ham spray. Put that over it. Okay. Okay. So here's what you're gonna do. Bang it down. Go like this. Clap it. Bring it over. Bring it over. Back your hand like this. Get under here. All right, here we go. Italian bread. Italian bread is a little bit more of a durable bread. You can flatten it out, treat it. Okay, like this. Now, I'm gonna work it like a typewriter. No thumbs, right? And when I'm done, it's gonna be in the shape of a football. Here we go. Bringing it, feel this? See, I'm working it to the middle. This is not easy. I'm making it look easy. See, look. I'm pulling it, the dough down with each one. When you get to the bottom here, see, I got my seam. I'm gonna karate chop it. Okay, a little bit more. On the ends, I'm just gonna roll it on the ends like this. There's my football. I'm gonna come in from right here. Then we're going to spray it. Okay. Guys are up. Cheers. Oh yeah. Look at that nice Italian bread. Okay?